This film demonstrates various Thermo-Tech belt de-icing systems in use at Buffalo Coal Company's preparation plant, located in the Appalachian Mountains near Bayard, West Virginia. This plant experiences temperatures of 20 degrees Fahrenheit and colder throughout much of December, January, and February, occasionally dropping to 20 degrees below zero. The conveyor belts at this plant begin to experience freezing problems in late October and last through early April. Thermo-Tech belt heaters were initially developed in response to these freezing problems, and there are now 7 units in operation at this plant. Prior to the use of Thermo-Tech heaters, a number of belt freezing problems would force the plant to halt operations. Considerable time was lost at startup due to frost-covered belts, and at other times blowing snow and moisture from the coal would freeze to the belt surfaces, causing coal to slide back, thus stopping the plant operation. The installation of Thermo-Tech belt heaters at this facility has allowed this plant to operate the past 4 winters without a single shutdown due to belt freezing problems. This is a standard Model A unit installed on a 32-inch belt, moving at 350 feet per minute and at a 17-degree incline. The heater is burning 1.5 gallons of kerosene per hour and producing 210,000 BTUs. This heat output has proven to be adequate to de-ice this belt at 20 degrees below zero. All Thermo-Tech belt heaters are equipped with a monitoring device that controls the operation of the heater. The sensor shown here is receiving pulses from targets welded to the tail roll. When the belt stops, the targets no longer pass in front of this sensor, and the unit is automatically shut down. It will not restart until belt movement resumes. The various designs of belt heaters manufactured by Thermo-Tech accomplish the de-icing heating process by direct contact of the flame to the belt. The high temperature being generated by this flame instantly de-ices the belt surface and raises the temperature of the belt about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Due to the very short period of time the moving belt surface is exposed to the flame, it does not suffer any damaging effects. When the belt stops moving, the heater shuts down instantly, preventing it from burning the belt. This Model B heater is installed on a 32-inch belt traveling at 350 feet per minute. The heater is located outside of the building that houses the tail roll and the chute that feeds the belt. Since no open flame is permitted within an enclosure containing coal dust, the heater in this case is installed outside in the free air. Once the belt has been de-iced, it enters the building and travels a considerable distance before the material is loaded onto it. The heat rising from the top of the unit de-ices the belt surface passing over it. The bottom of the heater is open to prevent any accumulation of material spillage from the belt. This style of heater is also used on belts moving over 500 feet per minute, and in locations that do not have enough space to permit the installation of the Model A heater shown previously. This Model C heater is being used to treat a slow-moving 18-inch belt. However, it is primarily designed to treat drive roll slippage. This is done by placing the compact combustion chamber under the belt surface just before it comes into contact with the drive roll. This tends to de-ice both the traction side of the belt and the drive roll simultaneously. The primary components of the heater are housed in the control unit box at the left. The elimination of drive roll slippage, as well as heating slow-moving belts, requires a minimal amount of heat, usually consuming only 1/2 to 3/4 of a gallon of fuel per hour. All Thermo-Tech heating devices are designed to operate under extremely dusty conditions by the use of a remote filter that cleans the air used for combustion. This filter is located away from the dusty area and connected to the heater by a flexible tube. All Thermo-Tech belt heaters are fully automatic in operation. They are thermostatically controlled to react to the ambient air temperature. The Model D heater in use here is a very versatile design. It can be used in place of any of the previous models shown. This type of unit is also used to heat chute work and clamshell gates or any remote location that could benefit from this type of heating. All of the heat is generated at the end of the 4-inch diameter flexible tube, which can be up to 50 feet in length. None of the components such as the control unit box or the flexible tube are used to transfer heat, thus they remain cool. Practically any conveyor belt or drive roll freezing problem can be eliminated with a Thermo-Tech belt heater. They can also be used to heat belt scrapers and to dry conveyor belts and make them more pliable. All belt heater designs use a motion sensing device that automatically stops the flame the instant the conveyor belt shuts down. Thermo-Tech belt heaters have been developed and tested over the last 7 years. They have been proven effective, safe, and reliable in all installations. They are available in fuel oil or propane-fired models, and some electrical designs are available for special applications. In addition to the belt heaters, Thermo-Tech offers heated idler rolls, forced air furnaces, and custom-engineered heating solutions for virtually any freezing problem in the mining industry.